Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with flip-down travel rack, double-step entry, backup camera ready, spare tire and carrier, outside shower, stabilizer jacks, outside speakers, LED exterior lighting, outside storage, bathroom toilet, detachable power cord, high-rise faucet, entry grab handle, LED interior lighting, pleated shades, range hood with exhaust fan and light, sofa bed, overhead storage, fire extinguisher, battery disconnect, bathroom shower, shower skylight, flush mount gas range cover, stainless sink, USB charging station, LP leak detector, queen size bed, booth dinette, smoke detector. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.